Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris dash charger, and we have replaced the body control module. It may need to be configured. We have some codes, but if I go look for the report, I just read the information. Anti-lock brake have 4 codes, and then he say tailgate, way module, battery weak, like it's okay. Hopefully it's iPhone now. Impossible vehicle configuration. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna clear all the codes. Okay, quick erase. When you have a problem like this, you do all the quick erase. Choose the BCM in the 2 fault. That's what they change it. We're gonna see what's going on about it. When you have a lot of fault like this, try to go through the diagnosis first. See now, no codes, everything, but the body control module we have faults.
2 fault codes.
And this new, so we're gonna look at it. Read codes. Right lamp humidity sensor in the 2 codes. Right lamps, right tail lamp control circuit humidity sensor. Special function. I want to see if the VIN is already there. You can use this function to read and write VIN. This only support new issue, read write VIN, say okay. This VIN is valid, press OK to change the VIN. Look at the VIN there. Is it 9195?
Yes, 9195.
Good. Okay, we don't need it anyhow. We have a fault here. Right tail lamp circuit, humidity sensor, and a couple of codes in the BCM. They have to look at it for. And then maybe they have an ABS problem too. I don't know why they changed it, but we're okay with it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.